Hey everybody, I'm Gokul from RBA. Selling your business should be an exciting event, but do you know only 49% of all companies that go under an LOI actually sell? As a restoration broker who's worked with 350 plus clients over 14 years, I know why this happens. Hey everybody, today I want to talk about the 7 lessons I learned from over 500 million in restoration transactions. In my previous 4 episodes, we covered time is not your friend, competition is better offers, due diligence, some parts of a contract are more important to you than others. And in today's episode, we're going to talk about the letter of intent, which is the most important part of a negotiating for a seller. Hey everybody, here's what we're talking about right now, right? The 7 lessons I've learned from 500 million in restoration transactions. And today we want to talk about lesson number 5, which is the letter of intent. And I want to read an email to you. It's from an actual client of ours. Gokul, great call, and thank you for getting the purchase price agreed on and the LOI done. Let's send the draft to the attorneys to handle the rest. This is a wrong move. You don't want to do that. The LOI, as a seller, you want it as detailed as possible. And it's not just about the purchase price. It's about risk. It's about reps and warranties. It's about your earnout. It's about employees. It's about benefits. There's about 27 clauses in LOI, okay? So from a buyer's perspective, they want to get the LOI signed as quickly as possible because after that, they become exclusive. That means you're not shopping your business around and they kind of eliminate all of the competition, right? And now they get the leverage. From your perspective, you want to take time, and the more detailed the LOI is, the more favorable it's going to be for you. Selling your business is exciting and should be the pinnacle of your career, and it's complicated to get right. At RBA, we'll help our clients successfully navigate through this journey. We make the complicated simple. Go to www.rbasells.com and check us out.